Hello and welcome back. This is the other guy, and welcome to Amnesia the Attic. This is a custom story. I had already done my intro, and then I realized I didn't bother to turn any of my recording stuff on, so no intro. Yeah, so that was fun. So, yeah. This is the start of it, though. Oh. I can't tell if it's laggy or if it's just I move really slow and my insanity is way up. Alright. This actually looks to be some pretty decent quality. I think. This is supposed to be the updated version. Apparently they had issues with lighting beforehand. Which, I don't know how much of it they got fixed. I mean, you never know with some of these things. Go ahead and fix everything, and then turns out they created a second problem, but blah 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 blah. Anyway, the comments seem to think it was alright, so yeah. This is supposed to be one of the pretty popular ones, I think? I don't know. Blah 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 blah. Is it okay? Chapter 1 dungeons. What about dragons? You gotta have some dank memes and stuff. Oh no, it's a monster. Wait, I thought the name of this one was Attics. What am I doing in the dungeon? Maybe my goal is to get to the attic. Alright. Oh! Alright. It gave me that nonsensical, oh no, everything's spooky to begin with. So I was like, well, this isn't gonna be fun. Picked up Chipper. Alright, note. Fear my life is in peril. Cage against my will. No collection. Memory is fragmented. Yada yada yada. The hole in the center looks to be the only way out. Alright, so let's use the chipper on the hole. Alright, let's jump in the hole. Alright, I have no lantern or tinder boxes. So I guess we'll crawl through this pit. This is fun. It's great. Okay, I guess we'll go to our right. Let's see. I really don't know anything about this. I mean, this is looking pretty good, though, so hopefully some spooks, but you never know until you actually get done with these things. Alright, come on. Aha, I'm out. Okay, so this just led to another cell, didn't it? Okay, it's locked. Alright, back into the hole. Ow. Really? I broke my foot on that? That's just annoying. Anyway. Okay, back down here. Which means I need to head forward this time. I do like this whole tunnel system, though. This is neat. It's a cool little concept. Aha. What? I have a chipper. It's like, oh, you need to go through the tunnel. And then, there's nothing down here for me to use it on. Wait a minute. Maybe I went the wrong way? Or maybe whenever my camera freaked out, yeah. Picked up hammer. Was that spooks or is that nothing? I guess if it's spooks, it's about to kill me. Alright. Let's use it on the funny looking rock first, because something tells me that's gonna be... Oh. Okay, so... Yeah, see? I got it. Okay, so... Oh, Jesus, that was loud. Okay, so... Come on. Let me out of the thing. Alright, we're out of the dungeon, and onward to Hogwarts. Which, if I had to take a crazy guess, is my goal in this game. It's probably not, but, you know, I thought it sounded funny. It really wasn't. Anyway. Right. Okay. I'm waiting for the spooks. Aha, tinderboxes. I know I probably should have avoided that, but Like, this is the first area, so I really don't expect them to straight up try to murder me just yet. Door's locked. Okay. I don't know where I'm going. I guess let's head up the stairs, which I'm sure is filled with wonderfulness. Or terror. I don't know. Let's see. We got a barrel. That's fun. Also slows me down, so. Okay. I need to find a... Oh, that was me bumping that. Okay. Wait, is this where I was? Alright, I think this is one of the places I was. Let's see. Does this one have anything? Oh, it's got a note.
I have awoken in a damp prison cell, with no memory of the events that brought me here. In fact, I have no memory whatsoever. These walls seem familiar though, and I don't feel entirely lost down here. My intuition is providing me guidance in this madness. I feel sure that I can escape from this place. I'm certain that the exit to these dungeons is through the northern prison cells, the entrance to which is not far from here, but the door will require a key. This key has fallen into the bowels of the torture chamber.
Spooky. Alright, so that dude's name was Ulysses or something like that. Alright, we're in the torture chamber. Okay, so, I don't know how to pronounce that. Ulrich? I don't know, that looks like one of the names of the Skyrim people. I'm gonna call him Ulrich. What was it? Oh, Ulysses from, Fallout New Vegas. Also, I kind of stopped doing the New Vegas ones just because there wasn't really too much interest in them. I might start doing them depending, but I'll probably only do them on VidMe and not necessarily on YouTube. Oh no, spooky. YouTube's been going through some issues and I really... Okay. Hollow and weak. Really? I can't use the frickin'... Anyway, not the point. Long story short, I may do more New Vegas if I guess people want it. Because there's some pretty great mods for it that really turn it into like either full-on survival games or horror games or... You know, you can kind of make it into what you want out of it. But as of currently... Oh! Aha! That's cool. As of currently, with the whole YouTube adpocalypse... Alright, that's a distance down. I can't honestly go ahead and do anything with... I'm just trying to avoid anything really with guns, although apparently your people are getting flagged over just things like cussing and all sorts of stuff. Which, I mean, if you're past a certain point in the views, then you can kind of do whatever, but... Oh no, spooks. Alright, I don't think the key is in here. This is tense, I guess. It's more... Okay, that's blocked off. I don't know, I'm just not really spooked by this. Alright, that's pulsating. Moving towards something, I'll say that. Alright, is this another torture chamber, or do I actually need to be in here? Alright, another torture chamber. I don't know, but the whole YouTube adpocalypse thing is kind of getting out of control and just, yeah. Which, I don't need to be talking about that all this episode just because it wouldn't be very fun to watch, and... Yeah. Oh no. Ow. Alright, let's go ahead and leave. And search the rest of these. For stuff. The burning bowl, okay. Or the bronze bowl. I think I've mentioned what that was for in one of my other Amnesia videos. Although I don't know if I ended up doing anything with that one. What the heck is this supposed to be? I get they're showing off all the torture traps and all that other stuff, but half these don't logistically look like anything. Ow. That was fun. Is there anything over there? Okay. Drain is now well and truly clogged for decades of blood and tissue. Not a drop of water can pass through the tangled mess. There's some amused speculation amongst the workers that there is a compressed river of blood flowing beneath the drainage which will solo us up if we break through the blockage. How quaint. And in any case, it's not like the blood ever hurt anyone. But seriously, something needs to be done about this immediately. Tell the overseer. Yeah, but I won't ramble on too much about the whole Fallout issue or the whole adpocalypse, but it is a bit of a bummer because I don't know. I was kind of hoping to eventually do some more of that, and at the rate it's going, I'm worried YouTube's just gonna try to phase out most games that don't fit within their demographic, so, or ideal demographics. So yeah, which is certainly a bummer because, you know, a lot of great YouTubers and videos and all that other stuff would fall under those categories. So yeah, I mean a lot of shitty ones too. I mean I'd probably be taken out pretty quickly because of the whole thing, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have enough views to actually get the whole message whether or not I've been any of my stuff demonetized. But if I had to take a crazy guess, I do cuss quite a bit, and my videos are quite a few of my videos have been first-person shooters and stuff, so it wouldn't surprise me. I don't know. I won't ramble about that because, as I said, I don't want to just ramble about it. It's just kind of a bummer. And you're here to watch me play Amnesia. Yeah. Recent prison breaks fucking words, my barricading this room. I wish it wasn't the case, but in the way of prisoners have been acting a little... In which the way the prisoners have been acting of late has me a little concerned. In spite of the weakened state, prisoners can be worked up in a real frenzy. 2 of them killed, partially eaten yesterday, yada yada yada. More guards. Secondly, drains are once it gets clogged. Assured inconvenience immediately, yada yada yada. Alright. Prisoners went and straight up ate somebody. That's not a good sign. Metal bucket. Alright. Oh, I need those. I guess we'll go ahead and light this. Ooh, a knife. That'll be helpful whenever the monsters show up. I can throw the knife at them. Actually, wonder if that'd do anything. I doubt it, but, you know. Never know. Aha, knife. Also, I think that pause, or that I was having issues with in some of the other videos. Places coming apart, shouldn't leave what I came for. Oh, the key, that's right. There was a little stutter I was having happen a lot while I was doing all this. And I think it was just the certain mods that were causing it, more so than specifically... Huh. Okay, that's the exit. Oh, I see it. It all kind of circles back. I wonder what I need the metal jar for. I don't know. I'm probably going to go ahead and stop this one. But, things to note, I've temporarily at least fixed the audio error while I went the knife. And I fixed the stutter, I think. Anyway, this has been The Other Guy. I think we're going to do a few more episodes of this. Subscribe if you want to. If not, bye.